So, what's the truth of DeFi crypto? Welcome everybody, it is Sweet Crypto here with another video. I haven't posted in a while, been on some trips, been exploring, been pretty busy. And the crypto space, this is why I'm making today's video. And if you're getting any things like, am I getting out of DeFi or am I stop posting? No. I'm just going over pretty much everything. It's just, I want to put a different mindset, or not mindset, but a thought to make you a better crypto thinker and a better, I guess you could say, overall balanced thinker. Uh, this is something that, people that are even newer to the space or been in the space for a long time needs to think about. And today I'm going to go over a couple projects and what's happening. And I'm going to talk the truth. If you know, on this channel, I talk all the truth. I talk reality. People lose their butts in crypto. They lose everything. You can get hacked. You can make a poor decision. You can get scammed, which is basically hacked. Like me, got hacked $26,000. Being straight up, it's scary. You just see that money get drained out of your account. And no, I didn't give my seed phrase away. I legitimately got hacked. Code hacked. Or you could say virus hacked, but not really. And yeah, but why am I making this title is DeFi crypto really legit? Well, you gotta look at these projects. And when I say DeFi crypto, I mean pretty deep DeFi crypto. You have your other DeFi cryptos that, like say Hex or Pancake Swap, those APYs, those are pretty legit. Obviously, they've been around for a long time, has billions and billions of dollars in them. But I'm talking about these projects like Drip, Animal Farm, Splash, with, maybe 50, 60, or your projects that have 10, 50, 60, 100, 500, $400 million in it. Let's take a look at those. So that's what I mean by DeFi. If you're thinking of like, all the other ones, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, the more riskier ones. But, all this praise you hear on Drip and stuff. If I'm gonna be real, guys, and this is from a guy that put $6,000 of his own money in. Okay. At $100. And I'm not just saying this because I'm down half. Drip's a failed project for the future. Yes, everything is a Ponzi scheme. Literally everything is a literal Ponzi scheme outside of crypto. So, but this is a dead shot scheme. This is a scheme that won't work over time. So you may be saying, why did you put $6,000 in? Because I was stupid. The fact that you put money into something you can't even take out. What? That's just straight up rig. You know what I'm talking about? And yeah, does the price go up and have people made millions of dollars? Yeah, of course they have. I haven't compounded in like a week, so we're going to do that right now. All I can do is put my money in here and compound. I can't take it out if the price goes higher. I can't take it out. Well, you may be saying, well, yeah, that's your fault for getting the project. Yeah, it is my fault. I should have just held the coin if I believed in the project. All this, yeah, if you hydrate, yeah, I understand at launch. Like Splash, I got in at launch. That's why I made so much money off of it. Obviously, it got hacked. So we're going to, a Splash update, I already made that. We'll see what happens with that. But come on, this can't run for years and years. You literally get paid off of other people's money. And yeah, you get paid off of them clicking buttons. But if no one clicks buttons and keep on selling, you're going to lose. And that's what happens 100% of the time. Tell me one project like Drip. One of these projects that's lasted for 2+ years. Nothing. So, can you make money off of Drip? Sure, if the price goes up. Why is the price going down? Because people are selling off. And the new people are coming in, depositing, are getting screwed. Because they can't take their money out. They can't do anything. All they can hope for is the price to go up. And that's like every crypto. You're probably going to lose. So, is Drip going to be successful? I highly doubt it. I mean, the developer behind it, look what he's done with Animal Farm. Come on, man. The guy hasn't even unpaused it. He said he would unpause it in 10 days. It's been like a whole month and a half. So developer doesn't need to care or anything. I'm at 1,500 plants on this account. He doesn't need to care. Forex He's made hundreds of millions of dollars. Why would he care? Just for the people. And I'm getting kind of sick of these developers, and not just pointing out Forex because obviously he's done good jobs on other stuff, but I'm getting kind of sick of these developers. Like, example, Golden Goose, that was a scam. Yeah, they shut down their whole entire account or platform, basically UI, because they said they were taking a break from crypto. Yeah, they just wanted to take a break forever, get their money. I'm getting sick of these devs. I'm getting sick of these rug pulls. That's why I'm becoming a developer myself. Now, how long will that take me to learn the knowledge? Probably, 4, 5, 6 months with practicing. I actually want to make a legit project, like a legit project that is not a full-on Ponzi scheme. And yeah, again, everything's a Ponzi scheme, but a way where it has a rate that it could last for years. Whatever that means, 3, 4, 5 years. Because I do have a way of doing it. I literally put all the formulas, and it's taken me a whole year and a half, basically, of everything I've seen, and I've tried to put together what will work, and I have. I just need to do the stuff. And yeah, I could go to developer and pay them, but I don't got the money to pay a developer hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't got that money. Just be legit here. So I'm trying to learn it myself. And yeah, I'm going to probably dump in, a good amount of money learning. And time, but it's worth it in my opinion. And yeah. So, but that's going to be in a long time. And I'm going to probably build it on the Pulse chain net. So, you don't even know. Pulse chain could be a scam. You never even know. I hope not. Oh God, I hope that's not one, because I put a lot of money in that thing. Titano, 10 cents. I haven't checked that in a while. That's kind of crap. That sucks. But I'm actually overall happy with Titano. It's gone down. I mean, is this going to last for years? Absolutely not. This will definitely die. I mean, you're getting paid 2%, 1.9% a day. Yeah, you think that's going to last? No. People just sell when it goes to their wallet. But for the maybe year or whatever, or shorter, be pretty good. So, drip again. I said that's gonna fail in a year, whatever. We'll go over to this side. This is one that I've got into, Silicium, whatever you call it. I think it's on the Matic chain. Polygon, sorry. Let's see here. And make sure you have a ledger. Oh, shoot. I don't have a ledger. But I need to get one. I got hacked. Let's connect the wallet here. It's not even connecting. I'm not even going to bother with this. I don't really care. Yeah, it's not even connecting. Okay. Let's go to the BNB chain. But yeah, you got to think of, if you're really new to DeFi, please do a lot of research and realize that whatever you put in has a good chance of getting lost. That's how I like to look at it. Vault migration underway, yeah. Yeah, so say you put in $500. Oh shoot, what the heck? Got $75 in there? Yeah, I haven't compounded this in a while, dang. That was nice. I got $75 in there. But say you put $500 in DeFi, I like to look at it as 70% chance you'll lose it, or I like to look at it 80% chance you'll lose it. If you're a beginner, definitely 85. So it comes a risk. You could do really good, like I did. $900 in a splash turned into 25K. Do I have the 25K? No. I've definitely made profit, and it sucks that it got hacked. But you could do those type of returns if you do your research right. Or you can get screwed on drip, like I did. 50%, put $6,000 and have $3,000 worth. I've lost $3,000. It wasn't my fault to buy drip. It was. I shouldn't have bought it. Bought into the FOMO, as they love to call it, which mad I did that, because I've been in this space for 3 years, and that was the first time I bought FOMO into something. I trunk rewards. I'm gonna keep on rolling. Basically, I heard sorry, I heard Elephant Money got hacked, but it's doing 827%. I don't know if that's true. I think it is true, but I heard it got hacked for a lot. I have to do some more research on that. Again, I've been really busy, but yeah. And yeah, there's this thing called Piston Token. What is it at now? $8. Sick. Bought it at 17. That's another thing I'm down on. It's a really cool interface, honestly. I'm not gonna put my referral code. I don't really care. Normally I'd put my referral code and be like, hey, use my referral code. So, I really don't care anymore. Not for at least this. If you want to, like, when Splash goes live, you want to join my team or whatever, then you can. Because I actually do airdrops. I'll never do airdrops on this. Yeah. But it's an interesting thing. We'll see how it goes. Again, it's a thing that you can take your money out, which that's what I actually like about it. You can take your money out, so I actually like that. So it's a cool project. But yep, that's it for the video. Just a short, sweet video. Think about what you're actually in. Think about what the real utility is. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.